I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and are you still running the plastic charge pipes and J-pipe in your BMW M2, M3, and M4? So, I am really impressed with the build quality of the charge pipes and J-pipe from Masada. And changing your J-pipe and charge pipes on your BMW S55 motor can be really important. So not only will you address all of that concern, but you're even building towards maybe a future build. If you're looking at meth injection or a similar setup, these pipes actually have the bung ports on the side for those setup. So even if you're not planning on going down that road right now, you already have that functionality or feature there if you do. The install itself is not hard at all. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. So let's go ahead and jump into the M3 and we're going to show you how you do this work. All right, y'all, so what we're going to need to do is we need to take some components off to be able to get the charge pipes out because they're held down or in the way by the intakes and some other pieces. So the very first things you need to do is take off these upper plastics, and there are 10 millimeter like quarter turn nuts right here at the top. So you just take a 10 millimeter socket and you just turn them a quarter and they'll come loose. So those will all be loose. Now also on the corners over here you will have those little push pin rivets right here that you pull up, and then these plastics will come off and you can just take them off and set them aside. And that will give you access to the 16 millimeter bolts that hold down the carbon fiber strut. So you're going to have the 16 millimeters here at the top, you've got 2 here at the bottom, and you'll have more here at the top. So go ahead and take all of those out. So take the plastics off, take the strut off. You also have a 10 millimeter nut right here that this reservoir hangs off of your strut bar. So make sure to take that off as well. Don't drop it, it's a drag, I've done it. Now the one other thing to keep in mind while we're here is the front bolts are shorter. So when you put these back in, make sure that you put the shorter ones in front, but we'll deal with that once we get there. All right, so the strut bar is off, as you can see. Now, one quick side note, if you have maybe an earlier model of the F80s, the bolts holding down the strut bar may actually be a 14 millimeter instead of 16. So just keep that in mind, but still the shorter ones go in front. Now you can lift off your vanity cover very easily by simply popping it up. Take that and go ahead and set it aside.